Today, we will be doing a 10-minute guided manifestation meditation, and we also have Julie and Joshua here to join us. So what you're going to go ahead and do, everybody, is you're going to go ahead and get in a seated, comfortable position, whatever that may look like for you. And we're just going to go ahead and get into our breathing state to start this meditation. So everyone go ahead and breathe in through the nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out through the mouth. Again, breathe in through the nose for 4 seconds. Out through the mouth. In through the nose. Beautiful. Out through the mouth. And really the purpose of this meditation is to just manifest what you believe in and just your true self and getting connected. And it's a beautiful meditation to do with the family. So I'll go ahead and start, and then everybody else will join in.
And we're just going to continue the breathing because we want to do at least 10 rounds to really connect that breath and regulate the nervous system here as well. Should be on a 6-1 here. So Ashley's going to keep doing a 4 count for 4 more big breaths in. 1, 2, 3, 4 in. Breathe it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Breathe in the nose for 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe it out of the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 9. Breathe in the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this last, we're going to do a deep inhale and hold it as long as you can. Let's go for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slide out. Right. Now Ashley's going to go ahead and lead us here and get connected to that white light, to that God or source, whatever you want to call it. So Ashley, go ahead for the next steps.
And what you're going to go ahead and do is, as you're just in that meditative state, you're just going to think about white light entering your body, which represents peace. And you're going to affirm words like, I, Ashley, am confident.
I, Joshua, am confident. I, Julie, am confident.
Beautiful. I, Ashley, am fearless.
I, Joshua, am fearless. I, Julie, am fearless.
I, Ashley, am capable of doing all things.
I, Joshua, am capable of doing all things.
Go ahead.
I, Julie, am capable of doing all things.
And really, it's wherever words come to you or to your kids or to your family. So whenever you hear the word I, just say I. Go ahead and say your name if you want, or just say the word I and say whatever you want works for you.
I, Joshua, am brave.
I, Ashley, am empowering.
I, Julia, am great at comprehension.
Beautiful.
And continue that breathing. And we always tell our kids too, it's like they're breathing like an ocean. As the ocean comes in and the ocean goes out. As the ocean comes in and the ocean goes out. As the ocean comes in and the ocean goes out. Or another one's like the mighty rain. When that rain comes and it just helps cleanse away, helping releasing things that no longer serves you. Washing away that negativity on there, just reminding you that we're all part of life. We're all deserving of love. We're all deserving of the inner peace and that stillness. And if you have a lot of thoughts racing in your head right now, like our kids do, that's totally normal as well. And we're going to continue the process on here. So we continue in here.
And the beautiful thing about this is that it's just manifesting what you truly believe in. And just like David said, letting go of anything that no longer serves you. So as that white light is entering your body, that is representing that peace and that presence. And every time you're exhaling, you're just melting away that stress, that anxiety, those tensions. But really what's in you and connecting with yourself is powerful.
So I want you to go ahead now, before I take this next big breath in, I want you to really think about something in your own life that is occurring, something in your own life that you want to achieve, or a goal, or something you want to get better at, and really envision that. Just picture what that is. Picture what that would feel like. Have the emotions of that. And once you have that memory, take a huge deep breath in the nose. We'll do a 6 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold that breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sigh it out. Keep that same goal, that same nourishment. How is it going to feel to you? Keep it in there. Breathe it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it out. Really say it in your mind over and over again. See it, believe it, feel it, manifest it coming true. Whether it's being a better mother, a husband, a father, a wife, a son, a child, whether it's being better at school, at math or science, or reading comprehension, whether it's getting your business better, maybe it's your health, maybe it's going to the gym, the way you eat, whatever it might be. Just really see that. Take that big breath in here again. Let it out. Now, Ashley's going to go ahead next here on how to breathe out things that no longer serve you, to breathe out the negativity, to breathe out all that stress, Ashley.
So every time you're going to exhale, you're just letting go of those things, like I said, that no longer serve you, letting go of the negativity. The whole purpose of this manifestation and meditation is just to inhale that peace, that presence, that new self, connecting to yourself. So when you're exhaling everything that's bad and the negativity, and just surrounding yourself in that white light that represents those things that you love and that you want to be. But it's just connecting and being powerful within.
So take a big breath in, as Ashley was saying, and push that air out.
Letting it go, and you can say things, you can exhale.
Breathe in again. Push the air out. It's okay to be loud. You want to be loud. You want to push that breath. If you have to yell, if you have to scream, if you have to cry, or just make a loud sound, wherever feels comfortable to you. Just really do that big breath in. We tell our kids too, they can shake their hands out, they can wiggle a little bit, they can move around. Ashley, that's a powerful one. Ashley, breathe in, Ashley. Just let it go. And if you get emotional, if you get teary-eyed, that is okay. Julia, what's something that you want to let go of, Julia?
I do want to let go of reading. What do you mean by that?
Well, Julia, what do you want to release?
What do you want to release?
Do you want to release those negative thoughts and that self-doubt?
I want to release all the negative thoughts and be great at comprehension and reading and do better in school and math.
Beautiful, beautiful. Joshua, what do you want to release and let go of?
I, Joshua, want to let go of all the negativity in my body.
And what do you want to be great at? And what do you want to desire?
I, Joshua, want to desire math.
Better at math, okay.
Better at math.
And I myself, we want to create this family environment to help out so many of you out there, whether you're a single parent, dual parent, whether you have one kid or you have several kids. We just truly want to grow a community around this world to share in this presence. That way we can have that inner peace, that self-love, that way we can teach tools of self-regulation, that guidance on there for me, and just letting go all the doubts and uncertainties. Ashley, what about you?
I just want to let go of that self-doubt, and I get that confidence back, and just be fearless and be a positive role model to, my children, my family, people that I meet, and just continue to spread that love and light and share my journey with others and just continue to grow and connect with myself.
Beautiful. Now what we want to do is, whoever you're around, whether it's just you or one other person or some people, just leaving your eyes shut, grab a hand of the person next to you, grab that hand, hold it lightly. So make sure everyone holding a hand, right? And we're going to all breathe in together here 3 big times. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it go. Again, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it out. Okay, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. Let it out. Now keep your eyes shut and hold hands. We're going to sit here quietly for the next 30 seconds. And I'll keep time. Sit here quietly. Keeping your eyes shut, still holding those hands. Let's do one last big breath in together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it out. All right. Now, on the count of 3, we're going to open our eyes and have just put a big smile on your face. Just remember. 1, 2, 3. Ashley, would you like to close us out here?
Yes, we hope that this 10-minute guided manifestation meditation brought you so much love and light and just a great start to your day or an ending to your day. But remember that you can do this anytime, anywhere, and just taking these 10 minutes for yourself and others. Sending you abundance and love, light, and life.